Happy birthday.
Blow it out again.
Oh, you
Blow. Blow. Birthday. Okay, go. Woo. Go, Willie. Yay.
Guys, yung aming balloons ready to
Okay, kids, we celebrate party for William's birthday. Gentlemen, we have party celebrant for William's 7th birthday. Okay. And first, second, prayer. Yeah. Prayer first.
Grandma.
Start.
Abraham.
Junior. Prayer. Big prayer.
23.
Okay. Thank you, Lord, for everything. Hello? Narinig na. Yeah, okay.
Wait.
We start. We have short time for prayer. Panalangin natin ang
No,
araw
no,
ni
Papa,
William.
right now. Later.
This is the day of William. So we
Yes.
have to celebrate the day. We ask God to have a nice day with us na Lord, Ama namin nasa langit, Ama, pinupuri ka pag alkaline para magamit sa ating katawan ang
Casey and Veronica and
Mother.
visitor niya rin, yung kanyang mother ni William. Maraming salamat. Nandito kami, nagsasama-sama kami, Lord. At sa mga pagpapala mo lamang kami umaan sa Lord. Isang tain mo si Tracy.
Maya, meron dyan sa akin.
Okay.
Ina.
Dito sa harap, come on. Ito na kayo. Ito na, at salamat sa lahat. Ito na po yung aming magsasalita rito. Okay. Mga kids, mag-enjoy kayo.
Up. Don't break his arm. Come on. Up. Hit his head. Don't lean back. You're going to hit your head.
That's what Daddy.
Like this, look. Move your feet. Okay, now it's time for girls. Come here. Put your hands. Come on. Dance. Be careful. Wait, up.
Apple.
Wala pa, hindi pa tapos yung
She's gonna cut him with her purse, Mom.
Wala.
Oh, careful,
ayaw
careful.
niya yun.
Okay, mayang na.
Oh, mayang na.
I'll drop you. Don't act bad on your birthday.
Si Valkyria na lang.
See, don't act bad.
Baby!
Little pretty dance.
Look to mommy.
Okay, which girl do you want to dance with? Pick one.
Pick one. Oh.
Pick one.
Gislen, you wanna dance with Anna? Kuya?
This is half sister. Willie's sister. Oh, she left. Okay. Please wipe the lid from the metal can because a rat to pee-pee on there, right? Number 2, always pick up the toilet seat when you're finished. Number 3, flush the toilet after use. And number 4, always be good to other people, no pushing, shoving, or touching. Is that good?
I
That's
guess.
all. Ready?
Let William blow it. Let William blow it. Off mine?
You gotta speak louder. See, he's not a speech person. Willie already blew it off, Mom.
Okay, next Kuya. Sinong next?
Next, Apple.
The next, Ma'am Veronica.
Wow, ako pala yun.
And I want you to be cured if it's possible. And I want you to be healthy in every.
I know. Oh, wait.
I love you.
Yay! Blow the candle. Oh, really
Blow
blow.
the candle. Woo!
You really will be
Really? Wait.
happy on this birthday. Maybe you're like that. I know it because you're not kind. No? But I wish to have more birthday and more birthday to come. And I know you will change.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Blow it. You want some cake? You want some cake? He wants cake.
Yeah.
Let's put it on this table over here.
Ito yung naka-bluetooth sa
Happy birthday. Blow it out again. Blow. Blow. Okay, go. Woo! Go, Willie. Yay.
Okay guys, kids,
Smile.
let's get on. Picture.
Cheese. Cheese. Yeah,
Really?
cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
Okay na.
Okay, that's good.
Kids, okay, yes.
Come here, over here. Over here, this way.
Lahat kayo. Sige. Tingnan mo ba yun, lahat kayo. Siyempre sa mami ng asawa mo.
Hindi, okay lang yan. Sige.
Ayaw ko, masisira ako doon.
1, 2, tanggalin mo yung karton mo. 1, 2, oy! Sige. Wait lang, ready? Waki!
Waki.
Let's go! Kain na! Isa pa!
Okay, let's get on, kids. Eat time.
It's time to eat now! Kain na, guys! Hoy, kain muna bago mag-stop!
Thank you, Kuya.
Ayaw niya ako.
Pag ginapak mo, hindi yung maapak ka, hindi sobrang
Kain na, guys. Kain na.
It takes a lot to get me angry, but when I
Picture kami
am,
ni baby.
I just can't let go.
Kain na, guys. Sa loob.
Hey, Ghislaine, don't come down. Okay? Close the edge, Mom.
Be, malaglag ka, Be.
Hey, make sure the little girl not close to the edge.
Ayan na yung ulan.
Mom, they might want to take a break for a second.
Guys, it's raining.
Hey guys, take a break. Come on, break time.
One hour, not